Hello everybody, I'm Roman Roberts and today we are going to derive the equation for mirror formula. Now the equation, you can call it mirror equation or mirror formula, is 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon P plus 1 upon Q. We are going to prove this mirror equation or mirror formula. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon P plus 1 upon Q. Now let's say you have an object placed between the principal focus and the center of curvature. AB is the object. It is placed between the principal focus and the center of curvature. The first ray of light, which is parallel to the principal axis, will pass through the principal focus, and the second ray of light, when it strikes the pole of the mirror, it will reflect back with the same angle. The angle between the principal axis and the incident ray, and the angle between the reflected ray and the principal axis will be the same. So where these two rays meet, image will be formed over here. A dash, B dash is the image, and this image, as you can see, is real, inverted and magnified. It's larger than the objects. Okay? Now, let's consider the distance between the principal focus and the pole of the mirror to be F. The distance between the object and the pole over here as P. The distance between the image and the pole of the mirror as Q. Okay? So P is the object distance, Q is your image distance, and F is your focal length. The length between the principal focus and the pole of the mirror. Now, we have various triangles over here. Let's consider this triangle, which is, you could say, we have the triangle AB, ABP, okay? And 1 to 1 corresponds to triangle A dash B dash P, okay? So we have these two triangles. I'll look at the triangle with this. Now both these triangles are similar to each other. In other words, you have triangle A, B, P similar to triangle A dash, B dash, P. Now if you look at this triangle over here, the ratio AB, okay, as you can see over here, okay, AB over PB is equals to A dash B dash over B dash P. Okay? Now, AB is the height of the object and A dash B dash is the height of the image. So I can write this down over here. HO is the height of object and HI is the height of image. Okay? So H naught is equals to AB and HI is A dash B dash. So I can replace this value as HO upon, what is PB equals to? PB. PB is equals to the object distance, P. Equals to A dash B dash is the height of the image, or B dash P is the image distance, that is Q. Q is your image distance, from the pole to the image where image is formed. So, we can write this down as HO upon HI cross multiply P upon Q. I have this equation. Let's call equation 1. Now we have another case over here. We compare two more triangles. Let's say we're looking at, this is point F. So we have a triangle over here. And let's call this FP, and I'm giving it a name over here, this point as D. And we have another two lines are intersecting each other. So we have another triangle over here, and that is, we have this triangle which is A dash B dash F. So now I have two triangles, FPB, FPB, similar to triangle. Here we have FPB, so triangle FB dash A, FB dash A dash. Now, according to FPD, this triangle over here, once again, just make it a little more. This triangle, you can see that PD over PF is equal to triangle. They're similar. So you have B dash F over, A dash B dash, A dash B dash over, because we took opposite upon base, so opposite upon the base is F B dash or B dash F, same thing. Now what is PD? PD is the same as AB. PD is equal to AB, and AB is the height of the object. AB is the height of the object. So PD is same as AB, or we can say height of the object. Upon PF is the distance between the pole and the principal focus, which is equal to F. Equals to A dash B dash is the height of the image. A dash B dash is the height of the image. A dash B dash is equal to HI, and B dash F. B dash F, this distance, B dash F, if you look at it, it is equal to Q, this whole thing is Q minus F. Q minus F. Q minus F will give us this distance, F B dash or B dash F. Q minus F. Q minus F. Cross multiply once again, H naught upon HI is equal to F upon Q minus F. So we now have the second equation. We now equate it because first and second equation we compare the two. So from equation 1 and equation 2, we conclude that H naught HI is equals to P upon Q, which is equals to F upon Q minus F. So we have this P upon Q is equals to F upon Q minus F. Now, I can reverse this, so I'll get Q upon P is equals to Q minus F upon F. I multiply both sides by 1 upon Q, 1 upon Q, so I'll get Q upon PQ is equals to Q minus F upon FQ. This Q and Q will cancel, so I have 1 upon P is equals to Q upon FQ minus F upon FQ. Q and Q will cancel, F and F will cancel, so I have 1 upon P is equals to 1 upon F minus 1 upon Q. Or I can bring this on the other side, 1 upon P plus 1 upon Q is equals to 1 upon F. Hence, 1 upon F is equals to 1 upon P plus 1 upon Q. Hence, proved. So we have to prove 1 upon F is equals to 1 upon P plus 1 upon Q. So we just got that. I hope it is clear to you all. So this was mirror equation. We will be solving many problems based on this equation. Hope to see you then. Till then, take care.